Brother, if you've been feeling alone, angry, or like disappearing, you're not broken. You're hurting, and you're not the only one. I'm Paul. I spent 14 years as a monk and wrote the Alpha Omega Male to help men build balanced strength, power with compassion, and courage with humility. As men, we are taught to tough it out, not talk it out. The cost is isolation, addictions, rage, and sometimes thoughts of ending it. Silence and a lack of spiritual purpose are killing good men. The Alpha Omega path is simple and repeatable. Lead by serving. Train your character daily. Cultivate confidence. Express humility. Show kindness. Develop fortitude. And manage the mind with breath, attention, focus, and a clear purpose. Do this now. 60 seconds of box breathing. Breathe in for 4 seconds. Hold for 4. Out for 4. And do it 4 times. Send a text to another brother. I'm struggling. Can you talk? Write 3 lines. What I feel. What I need. My next positive action. If this hits, grab the Alpha Omega Male Volume 1 and 2 and walk the 30-day reset with me. Comment, brother, and I'll point you to the first steps.